Welcome to Digital Learning. Myself Dr. Hemkumar. In this video, I am going to discuss about data encryption standards and analysis. Data encryption standards analysis to decide the properties of block zipper or the avalanche effect and completeness effect. For example, to check the avalanche effect in DES, let us encrypt two plaintext blocks with the same key that differ only in one bit and observe the difference in the number of bits in each round. For example, you just check it, plain text is given 000 and zipper text. The key used is 22234512987 ABB23, and again the zipper plain text will become a 000, last one bit will be 1. Zipper text is here converted zipper set A0 A4 E D 5C 1 5A 6 3 F E A3, and the key is used the same key 22234512987 ABB23. DES analysis. Although the two plain text blocks differ only in the rightmost bit, the zipper text block differs in 29 bits. This means that changing approximately 1.5% of the plain text creates a change of approximately 45% in the zipper text, which is shown in the table 1. Number of bits differs. For example, round 1 there is 16 rounds, bit differs. In first round there is a 1, second round 6, 3, third round 20, fourth round 29, fifth round 30, sixth round 33, seventh round 32, and like that in the 16th round it is 29 bit differs. The completeness effect means that each bit of the zipper text needs to be depends on many bits on the plain text. Design criteria here is S box. The design provides confusion and diffusion of bits from each round to the next. The P box, they provide the diffusion of bits. The number of rounds, DES uses 16 rounds of listed zipper. The zipper text is thoroughly a round function, a random function of plain text and zipper text. The DES weakness is the critics has found some weakness in DES. The weakness in zipper design. The weakness first is in S box, the weakness in P box, and weakness in key box. The weak keys like key before parity is drop 64 bits and actual key is a 56 bit, which is shown in the table 2. Just observe is 64 bit and 56 bits. Security services. The classification of security services are as follows. Confidentiality. Ensure that the information in a computer system and transmitted information are accessible only for reading by authorized parties. For example, printing, displaying, and other forms of disclosure. That is confidentiality. Authenticity. Ensure that the origin of a message or electronic document is correctly identified with an assurance that the identity is not false. Integrity. Integrity ensures that only authorized parties are able to modify computer system assets and transmit information. Modification include writing, changing status, deleting, creating, and delaying or replaying of transmitted messages. Non-repudiation requires that neither the sender nor the receiver of a message be able to deny the transmission. Access control requires that access to information resources may be controlled by other target system. Availability requires that computer system asset be available to authorized parties when needed. Security mechanism. One of the most specific security mechanism in use is cryptographic techniques. Encryption and encryption like transformation of information are the most common means of providing security. Some of the mechanisms are encipherment, digital signature, access control. Security of DES. DES as the first important block cipher has gone through much scrutiny. Among the attempted attack, three are of interest: brute force attack, differential cryptanalysis, linear cryptanalysis. Brute force attack. We have discussed the weakness of the short cipher key in DES. Combining this weakness with the key complement weakness, it is clear that DES can be broken using 2 to the 55 encryptions. Differential cryptanalysis. It has been revealed that the designer of DES already knew about this type of attack and designed S box and chose 16 as the number of rounds to make DES specially resistant to this type of attacks. Linear cryptanalysis. Linear cryptanalysis is newer than differential cryptanalysis. DES is more vulnerable to linear cryptanalysis than to differential cryptanalysis. S-box are not very resistant to linear cryptanalysis. It has been shown that DES can be broken using 2 to the 43 pairs of known plain text. However, from the practical point of view, finding so many pairs is very unlikely.